Kenya! I should know, like, how should I start this video? I don't know, like, what's going on? I forget to be like, hi guys. So some of you guys know me, some of y'all don't. Nah, let me stop. So my name is Mbayang Diouf. I mean, if you Senegalese, Mbayang Diouf, you know that, but so I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this look. They say love is blind, but I just see her for your eyes. For your eyes. I'm gonna be telling you guys what did I use, like where did I get this and where did I get this, and which rubber bands that I use to like section my hair, and what gel that I use to put in my hair, and my edge control. Okay, so in order for you to achieve this look, you have to go to the beauty supply store and you gotta get a lot of little black rubber bands. They're like $1, so like you can't really sit there and like complain, oh my god, that's mad expensive, because it's not. So you're gonna go to the beauty supply store. You can actually see the rubber band here, but so you're gonna section all your hair. It looks like a lot of work, but like it's really not. You're gonna section all your hair, and then I wish I recorded how I did it, but I didn't. So I'm just gonna tell you guys. So you're gonna section your hair, like I said already. Then you're gonna put the rubber bands in the section, and for it to be very neat and like sleek, you're gonna use your Eco Styling gel. I use the green one. I don't use no other one. I like how they upgraded it, so it's like this. Nah, let me stop. Alright, so you're gonna use your Eco Styling gel, and you're gonna use a toothbrush. Kev, if you wanna come in, you can. Like, she outside creeping and shit. Alright, be quiet. So you're gonna put your gel right here, put your gel right here, and then I wore gloves because, like, you know, it's funny how I'm acting like I did it. I wore gloves because, like, I have nails and nobody got time for the gel to be going up their nails. So you're gonna like sleek. You're gonna sleek. You shaking my camera. So you're gonna sleek, and then tie the rubber band. You're gonna see a lot of white because the gel, obviously. And then you're gonna take that white part and put it right here, put it right here, put it right here, and then it's gonna be very slayed. So after that, you just do that to everyone, and then you're gonna take, what type of hair is it? It's not Kanakalankong, right?
It's Kanakalankong.
It's not Kanakalankong.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
It's Kanakalan.
It's not Kanakalan. The Nigerian hair?
It's not the Nigerian hair.
Expression. You're gonna get expression here because if you use jumbo braids, Kanakalankong, it's gonna like frizz up and your ends is not gonna be like perfect like these. So you're gonna use the expression here. When you go to the beauty supply store, you just say expression here, because you know Chinese people, like, they be like, what, we don't have that. Yes, you do. So you're gonna get the expression here, and then you're gonna start from the very root. This one I made a mistake. You could see the rubber band, but like in all my other ones, you can't really see the rubber band. So you're gonna use your expression here, and then you're gonna, like, you know how people braid. So you're gonna braid, and then that's how you get it. After you put the gel on your, what's this name? After you put the gel on, like right here, you know, like right here, you're gonna use your jam. You can get this at the beauty supply store too. Jam. You're gonna put your jam right there so you can have that hold, because if you don't put it there, it's gonna slip off. So after that, when you get the finished touch, you're gonna put this in there. You can't really see it, but it's oil sheen. Oil sheen. You're gonna spray your oil sheen all around your hair. It's like a finished touch, feel me? And then, hey, I'm recording. You're gonna use these. Everybody know what these are. I don't even know why I'm doing this. You're gonna use these. And then you're gonna, I didn't put it, before when I had these braids, I put it everywhere in my hair and I just looked mad dumb. So I just put some, like I put one right here, I put it right here, I put it right here. Like, you know, you don't want to look too much. You don't want to look stupid. So I got this at Amazon. I know y'all want to know where I got this from because, like, wow. Boom. I got this from Amazon and you will never run out. It's mad stretchy. Like, you're going to use it over and over and over again. So I put that on this braid. I know y'all going to be mad dramatic and put it on mad braids, but you don't have to do that. You can just put it on this braid because, like, you're going to look mad nice. And then you got this look. Alright, so I lied to you guys. My sister, can I come in my video? Come in my video. My sister was the one that put the gel and sectioned it because, you know, I can't see the back of my head. Like, I don't know how people can do hair. I don't know how people could do hair, do their own hair. Like, damn, like, how can you do that? Like, I can't reach all the way in the back, but I'm not gonna lie, I did the front. She just did the back. And my mom. My mom was the one that put the braids in. Listen, like, I don't think I have no talent in me. I don't know how to do braids. But this is the final look. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe.